Revolutionize your classroom, ditch the textbook, spark the learning. Hey everyone, I'm Zain Ul, and I think we can all agree that standardized tests, kind of the worst. But assessment doesn't have to be a drag. It can be a vibrant and engaging part of the learning journey. That's why today we're diving into 6 innovative assessment techniques that will not only make learning fun for your students, but also provide you with valuable insights into their understanding. So buckle up, because we're about to revolutionize the way we think about assessment. Project Power, unleashing student creativity. Let's kick things off with integrated project-based assessments. Imagine your students designing their dream city, tackling urban planning, environmental sustainability, and even crafting fictional narratives about the people who live there. Or how about a deep dive into history with a day in the life of a historical figure? Costumes, accents, the works. These projects allow students to synthesize knowledge from multiple subjects, fostering a deeper understanding of how different concepts connect. It's about igniting their imaginations and empowering them to become active learners. Gamify your assessments, where learning meets fun. Next up, we're bringing on the fun with gamified assessments. Picture this, your classroom transformed into a bustling game show set, complete with quiz competitions, buzzers, and maybe even some silly prizes. Role-playing exams? Yes, let them step into the shoes of historical figures or literary characters, and who doesn't love a good treasure hunt? Hide clues around the classroom or schoolyard that lead to academic discoveries. Trust me, when learning feels like a game, engagement and motivation skyrocket. Unleash the power of storytelling, creative writing, and expression. Now let's tap into the power of storytelling and creative expression. Encourage your students to weave their own tales, craft compelling speeches, or even engage in lively debates. Remember, draw and describe, it's not just for elementary school. These activities not only allow students to explore their creative sides, but also enhance their communication and critical thinking skills. It's amazing what they can teach us when we give them the freedom to express themselves. Let's face it, sometimes students wonder, when will I ever use this in real life? Well, real life application-based questions tackle that head on. Instead of abstract equations, let's design a ramp and calculate its slope. Or how about using chemical reactions to bake a cake and explore the science behind it? These hands-on activities not only make learning fun, but also show students the practical relevance of what they're learning. It's the 21st century, so let's embrace the power of technology. Interactive digital assessments like online quiz platforms or video submissions can inject a dose of excitement into the evaluation process. Imagine students creating documentaries, skits, or even music videos to demonstrate their understanding. Digital tools not only make assessments more dynamic, but also offer accessibility options for diverse learners. Our final game-changing technique is all about fostering a culture of reflection and ownership through peer and self-assessment. Imagine a classroom where students provide constructive feedback to one another, helping each other grow and improve. Self-reflection exercises like learning journals or goal-setting activities empower students to take charge of their learning journey. It's about creating a supportive environment where everyone feels valued and empowered to learn. So there you have it, 6 innovative assessment ideas to breathe life back into your classroom. Remember, assessment doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a creative and engaging journey for both you and your students. By embracing these innovative approaches, you can transform assessment from a dreaded necessity into a meaningful and even enjoyable part of the learning process. Now go forth and revolutionize your assessments. And don't forget to share your own creative assessment ideas in the comments below. Let's create a vibrant community of educators who are passionate about making learning fun and effective for everyone.